Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I've been on a spending ban recently. Well, not a spending ban. I've been spending loads and loads on my room, on my bathroom. Expect a room tour coming soon. But I haven't done like a full haul and bought loads of clothes in ages. And I went on Pretty Little Thing the other day and I was just like, everything is so beautiful. I need this stuff in my life, and it arrived yesterday. I haven't tried any of it on yet. We're gonna try it on together. So shall we get straight into it? Okay, first off, I got this mustard polka dot. It's called cheesecloth. Not entirely sure what cheesecloth is. Not a fashion gal, but whatever it is, I like it. So this top was £15. It does have these gorgeous trousers to match, which I didn't get because they didn't have them in petite, but if they did, I would have got them. I'll link them down below in case you are of a normal height and you wanna check them out. So I'm gonna style all of these items up for you guys and show you how I would wear them. So I'm gonna cut away to a clip of me wearing this as part of an outfit because I'm currently just wearing this and my pants because for some reason, England has turned into a tropical island. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but just clothes are bothering me right now. Guys, I love this top so much. I've just paired it with my ASOS mom jeans with the busted knees. I'll link these down below as well. I wear these all the time, but it's just the perfect thing to wear with them. And I'd wear this like during the day, obviously, but it's the kind of thing you could wear for like chilled drinks or something as well. Oh guys, Pretty Little Thing have the nicest selection of dresses in at the minute. I did pick up a few, not gonna lie, but this one, look at this, right? It's covered in lemons. How cute is it? I absolutely love this. It's got a slit up the front which goes quite high up, which I think is really cute. I got this in petite and I just thought that this is gonna be like the cutest outfit on a summer day or on a summer holiday. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. Just lemons, I mean, come on. And this was £25. I love this dress so much. I will say that the slit is high. You are at risk of flashing your bits. I mean, if you were just like walking, you wouldn't, but the slit does kind of go like above the crossover. So, I mean, if you're doing any sort of like activities, don't know what activities you'd be doing, but I mean, other than walking and sitting, you're probably gonna flash your bits. But I love this dress nonetheless. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the lemons. I just feel like I'm on holiday in this dress and I love it. So I got this white ribbed shoulder tie bodycon dress and I just think this is so pretty. I did get a couple that were very similar just because there was 3 of them that had a similar vibe and I thought, you know what, I'll just get all of them, I'll try them on and I'll keep the one that I like the best. Obviously I've unpacked them and I like the look of all of them, so I'm probably, if these fit me well, I'll probably end up keeping all of them. Oh, encourage me not to, guys. Leave me a comment and let me know which is your favorite out of the 3 that I'm about to show you. So the first is this one, and this is £18, and I just think this will look so, so nice, like with a red lip, maybe with like a little sleek bun, a pair of like statement earrings, even just hoops, like a pair of wedges or sandals. I just think this will be so pretty. I love that kind of Mediterranean vibe at the minute, and I feel like this just kind of embodies that vibe a bit. I really, really love it. I absolutely love this dress, guys. I've got it on with a bra that you can kind of see underneath, but I don't mind it, to be fair. I think it looks cute. This just gives me massive holiday vibes, but to be fair, I would wear it in England with what the weather's been like at the minute, and look, the bum looks banging, if I do say so myself. I love dresses like this that just kind of like hoik your bum and like make it look good. So this is the second dress that I got that is quite similar to that one in that it has shoulder ties, it's white and it's got buttons down the front. This was £25 and the material is slightly thicker than the other one and it's not ribbed. Oh my god, guys, I love this dress so much. How much Mediterranean summer vibes is this dress giving you? I love this. Oh my god, like I am obsessed, and also look, makes the bum look bloody great. So this is the third dress with tie shoulders and buttons, but I feel like it's different enough that I could keep it if it fits me, because like it's blue, it's different, it's not white, and it's got kind of like a low neckline, which I think could look really, really cute. I love this kind of denim blue color, even though it's not denim. I really, really, really hope this fits. Guys, I love this dress. It needs an iron, like, not gonna lie, but how cute is it with my hair up as well? I love this so much. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the ties, I love the buttons. I love that it kind of, my boobs are like a little bit out, but they're definitely supported, like the fabric just supports them, which is really, really nice. I wouldn't like to feel like they're just free, but they definitely don't feel like they're gonna move or pop out, which is good. And oh, I am obsessed with this, it's so cute. Okay, for £15, I just couldn't leave this dress. I saw it and I had to add it to my basket. I just thought it was so cute. Like, I've never owned a swing dress before, but I always like the look of them on other people, and this has a little cutout in the middle, which is super cute, and I just thought that this could look really pretty and cutesy. I can't decide if this is cute or not. Like, what do you think about this, guys? I like it, but it's the kind of thing that I would wear on holiday. I'm not used to wearing dresses. I don't wear them very often, and I don't wear kind of like swing dresses and stuff. I just feel like it's very girly for me. Let me know what you think about this down below. I'd love to know what you think about this. Next up, I got this absolutely adorable mustard polka dot tie front blouse. I love the look of this. I hope it looks nice on, because as soon as I saw this on the website, I just fell in love with it. It's £10 as well, which is really decent. Everything on Pretty Little Thing is such a decent price. But how cute would this look just with a pair of like high-waisted mom jeans or something? I love it. So guys, I'm just going to show you this with my bra on because it's too small. It doesn't fit over my boobs. I would have just worn like a kind of low V bra or something with this, but I don't know why I always do this. I get size 4s from Pretty Little Thing in their tops, and sometimes they just don't fit me because my boobs are too big for them. So I might try and get this in a 6 so that it fits over the boobies. Love that I'm just standing out here with my boobs out, with my bra out, but hey, this is how I would wear this though. I would wear it with these jeans. Like, I think this would be such a cute outfit. Guys, I've taken the bra off. I'm just having to hold it because it is still too small for me, but I guess I could wear it like without a bra. I don't know if I would though, because I really feel like I would like have a nip slip situation. But I mean, you could. I think I'm definitely going to send this back and get it in a bigger size because I think it's gorgeous. It just doesn't quite fit me. So for £22, you guys know I love me a good shirt. I had to pick this up. I thought it was so nice. The model on the website was wearing it like open with, I don't know if it was like jeans or something, but I feel like it would look so nice just with jeans. I would probably wear this with the first few buttons undone and like a cute bra underneath. I think that would look so nice for like casual drinks or something. I just love shirts like this. They're so versatile, and this was £22. So I've just teamed this with my jeans. I'm sorry I'm teaming everything with my jeans. I told you I was going to style these up. Literally, I style everything with jeans. To be fair, I wear these all the time. If there's a pair of jeans that you need in your life for summertime, it's the ASOS Farley Busted Knee, I think Prince Wash or something. Am I flashing a boob? Yeah, I am. Anyway, I've basically teamed this with a cute little bra underneath because I think this would look so nice for like drinks on an evening or something. Or if you were going to work and then drinks, just undo it later. Honestly, so versatile. I absolutely love these, and I've just rolled the sleeves up. And yeah, oh, I love a good shirt, man. So I got this jersey polka dot top, and they had this in white as well. I wasn't sure whether to get it in red or white, or whether to get it at all, because I love the look of it, but I just wasn't sure if it was really me. I really like how it looks, but I want to see how this looks on, because I think it would look really nice, kind of open, if you had smaller boobs, but I can't get away with doing that, so I'll have to find a bra that'll look appropriate with this, otherwise I'm going to end up flashing everyone, and that just isn't a vibe I want to be going for. But I hope it looks cute because I really like how it looked on the model, and this was only £12 as well. Oh my god, how cute is this top? I haven't got a bra on with it, so I do feel a little bit free, but I really like this. I love the arms. Like, how cute are these arms? Sleeves even, but I wasn't sure whether I would like this. I thought maybe it's going to be a bit too girly, maybe it's going to be a bit like But no, I really like this. I just feel like I need a bit of tit tape to make sure the boobs don't escape. Again, for £10, I picked up this white crepe like tie back crop top, and I just think it looks really, really cute. Like, it obviously ties at the back and your whole back would be out. I'm hoping that, because I don't think you can really wear a bra with this unless you wore one of those like stick-on bras, but I'm hoping that me boobs don't really show through it, because I love the look of this, but I've got a feeling the nips might show through, so let's try it on and see what it looks like. I'm not a massive fan of this top, to be honest. You can kind of see the nips through it. I feel like if my boobs were smaller, you wouldn't be able to. It's because my boobs are literally pressed against the fabric. And I feel like I'm too short for this top as well. It's got like, kind of like excess fabric here. And I feel like it's because it's not pulled up high enough at the top. It's just because my torso is too short. So I do like the look of it at the back. Like, if it fit me, it would be super cute. But unfortunately it doesn't. Don't know what that accent was, forgive me. Oh my gosh, right, have you checked out Pretty Little Things lingerie section? Guys, if you haven't, you need to. Like, they have some proper sexy little undies on there and really nice nightwear and stuff as well. But for £20, I picked up this gorgeous black lacy bodysuit. I am in love with this. I got this in a size extra small, and I just love the look of it. Do you know what made me buy this? I really love the look of this type of lingerie with like a pair of high-waisted mom jeans and heels for a night out. I don't know if it's a bit risque because you're definitely gonna flash some nip through this, but I don't know, would you do it? I think it looks really nice. I don't know if I'd be brave enough to do it though. I'm not gonna try this on for you guys for obvious reasons. You don't need to see me nips on YouTube, do you really? But I'm hoping that it's one of those ones where the lace is dark enough that you can't really see nips through it, because I would love to wear this with a pair of jeans and maybe like a blazer on top. That would look so, so cute. But obviously it's just nice to wear on its own too. And look, the bum isn't like a thong, but it's just like really thin, so like your whole bum cheeks are out, and I just think that looks so nice. And yeah, I mean, come on, Pretty Little Thing comes through with the lingerie. And for 20 quid as well. I mean, that in a posh lingerie shop would be 40 quid upwards, so I'm very, very, very happy with that purchase. By the way guys, I've started uploading more outfit pictures to my Instagram, so if you want to follow me for outfit inspo and you want to just know what I'm wearing and stuff, then it's just KatesBeautyStation. Go and give me a cheeky little follow and leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one of those 3 dresses you think I should keep, because honestly, or should I keep them all? No, dissuade me from keeping them all, honestly. Tell me which is your favourite. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, guys. As usual, subscribe if you're not already, and hit the bell if you want to make my day. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!